Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to be implementing the updates view, which is this view, so hope you find it exciting and let's start coding. Okay, so let's start by going to our updates view. And first thing, before we start implementing it, let me show you how most iOS developer will do something like this, or a view that is unavailable. So if you are a lazy developer who doesn't want to waste your time implementing it, you will use content unavailable view. And in our case, he will use title, image, and description. For title, it will be nothing to see here yet, so nothing to see here yet. For the image, it's an image from our SF symbol, I apologize, from the asset folder. So we go to our asset folder, we got an image called notification, I believe, which is this one. We just take the name and place it here in image. And for description, we will give it a text. And it's try exploring your home feed, creating a board, or following someone with ideas that inspire you, or following someone with ideas that inspire you. Okay, this is one way of doing it. It's for someone who doesn't want to waste a lot of time. He will just display the image, the text, and the description using things that are already implemented, using our content unavailable view. Okay, so let's comment this and show you how we can do using content unavailable view a custom label. So we can use content unavailable view and use this part, the label part. And here you can give it a V stack and you display an image that is notification. Let's give it also a spacing of 20. We make our notification dot resizable. We give it a frame with width and height of 150. Then, as you can see, we got the text. So text, nothing to see here, or we can copy it already. We already wrote it, so let's copy and paste it here. It got a font of dot headline and a font weight of dot semi-bold. One way also of doing it, you can add the description here, but I don't think we need to use it here. We can also use text of we can write all this, copy and paste it. We can give it a font of dot subheadline and multiple text alignment of dot center, so the text is aligned always in the center. To this entire vstack we can give it dot padding of dot horizontal of 20, and because I want it in the center I can give it a spacer on the top and a spacer in the bottom. Okay, which is perfect. And as you can see, when I'm going to use custom label, I don't really need to use this custom unavailable view. It's better to use it when you want to use something that is already implemented. So in this case, we can delete this, we don't need it. And that way we got our VStack and just the content we want. Also, we can delete this that is in comment. Okay, perfect. If I go now to my main tab view, everything should be working perfectly. Okay, as you can see, it's working perfectly. In the next video, we will implement the inbox view. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.